So I'm going to start every video at the ground. So then it's like this, and then it's a little bit of a surprise, but no surprises yet. There's a G161 4-cylinder. We might turbo this later. That's a 161. 1972. I'll do a bit of that, go across the other side, show you what she's all about. Very leaky. Now, today's the first day we're going to start it. It's been laid up for 3 years, unregistered. They're saying they started it, well, someone tried to start it a while ago, and what they did is they put the terminals on back to front. So we're wondering if they've blown a main fuse, which might be in here, but we'll get to that. All these fuses look alright. Very old and decrepit, but we just want to see if she runs today. That's all. It's got clean fuel. Old man trick, running 2 fucking petrol filters. Oil filters, you dick. Yeah, haven't touched the distributor because the clips that do that are stuck, which I'll just leave them stuck. Fucking cobwebs and fucking eggs, and yeah, that's we're thinking she's weeping out of here and out of the top of the rocker. It's gone all over the front, but that looks like real bad overheating, but it's never overheated. It's cooked that fucking oil. But like I said, hasn't been started in a long while. Got a battery over there, we'll chuck in. See how we go. It was a daily, registered in New South Wales for a while. We'll get to the suspension and stuff when we move the tub. You'll have a laugh at that. I did the day I seen it. I don't know how the coppers haven't, but anyway. Again, thank you.